Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add multiple audio tracks in Instagram Reels. If you're using Instagram and now you want to add multiple audio tracks in your Reels, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, open it, then select add icon, and here select the reel which you want to share. And I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and here just select music, select it, and then select the music which you want to set, then tap on next, then done. And after doing this, you just have to tap on edit video. In this section here you can see I have added as music. Now tap on music again, and here select the second one, and after that tap on next, and then tap on done. In this way you can see I have added two musics in one video. In this way you can easily add multiple audio tracks in one Instagram Reels. So that's how you can easily add multiple audio tracks. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.